Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is gonna be a review plus unboxing. By the way, I would like to say thank you to the Becko US company for sending me this free stuff that you're about to see. Thank you so much. And yeah, so if you are interested, then let's go ahead and start this video. So here's the package, guys. I let my husband open the package because I'm the one holding the camera.
Oh, good. What's that? Oh, of course, that's the one that I choose.
Hi guys, so here's the package, and let's go ahead and open this package right here. So this is how it looks like, guys. Wow, I really like it. So this one is the front side, and then this is the back side. So we will start in the front side. So in the front side we have here a packet, and it's like a 3 inches deep, and you can put your business card or pin, something like that. So in the front side we have here, it says Becko, and that's the name brand, guys. And the next one is we have here the leather handle, and it's really nice, and it's very durable as well. I really like it. So next, guys, we have here in the center, as you can see, there's a divider, center divider here, and it has a 2 big pocket right here. So we'll take a look what's inside and how it looks like. So in the first packet, when you open up, it's a gray fabric here, and you can see inside there's a 2 pocket right here. And then next, in the second packet we have here, it's a fabric, it's a gray fabric color again, and there's it comes with a sling bag, as you can see, guys. It's really nice, and it's really durable. And from this area, and there's a logo again, and it says here Becko. And next we'll move on to the back side. So this is the back side, and it has a pocket right here, and we'll take a look at how deep inside. So the pocket here, it's like a 7 inches deep here, and you can put your like, for example, your cell phones, your cards, your important documents. So guys, I will take the plastic out, and then I'll show you guys closer, so that you can see how nice it is. It's easy to take them out. Look how nice it is, guys. It's easy to carry, and you know, if you are running out, so you would just grab the handle and then you're on the go. I really like it, guys. So this Becko beautiful bag, guys, is decorated by Crazy Horse PU leather and made of high density cotton canvas. Becko's laptop bag matches your thin, stylish, and ultra portable device, keeping it free of dust and scratches with zipper closure. A dedicated computer compartment keeps your laptop protected, while separate section for iPad, notebooks, files, folders, magazines, and accessories will keep your gear organized and at your fingertips. Arch-shaped design on both sides expands the capacity to snugly fit your device. Pockets on front and back help keep your phone, wallet, cards, case, USB cables, and other small items securely. So let's go ahead and we'll put some items inside of this beautiful bag. So guys, I already put some items right here, and then we'll take a look what's inside. So from this side and this front side, we have here inside, I just put my ball pen, just only one, and as well you can put a lot of, you know, some cards or keys. Next guys, we'll go ahead and we'll see what's inside of the first big packet right here. So I put it here, my 2 notebooks. So I put it here, 2 notebooks, and then I got here my portable charger, and then I got here my iPad, and then on the 2 small packet here I put my iPhone, my phone, and then my little iPad. Okay, on the next packet guys, I didn't put some items here, but since we are planning to buy some MacBooks, so we were gonna put the MacBook over here. See how deep it is. I really like it guys, and I definitely recommend this, especially when you are traveling and then you are a businessman. So this is perfect for you. And yeah, so and then guys, we'll proceed to the back side. I forgot. And then so from here I just put a double, what is it, marker, 2 markers here, and then I have here my charger for my phone, and then that's it. See, but still you can put a lot of stuff right here because it's really depth. So this bag guys is high quality, and it's durable, handle and removable, adjustable shoulder strap make it easy to grab and carry on the go, sling over the shoulder, uncross the body for hands-free carrying. It's pretty simple overall design, really made for carrying papers, documents and things like that, and having nice easy access tools. So in my honest opinion guys, I really love this beautiful bag, especially because we are planning to buy a MacBook. So this one is perfect for us, and it's perfect, you know, when you are traveling anywhere around the world. You can easily carry this beautiful bag, and you can put a lot of stuff like MacBook, computer, magazines, documents, case, USB, something like that. And this bag is available in Amazon guys. It costs $18.99. so I will leave the link down below in the description box so you can check that out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.